Welcome to St. Jude of the Lake, which we affectionately call our happy place.
I teach second grade here, and we are currently at the outdoor classroom at St. Jude. This is a great learning space for kids to learn about science, get outside, get some fresh air. We are currently learning about seeds and seed dispersal, so we are taking some observations of the seeds that we are finding.
Hi, I'm Catherine, and what I like most about the outdoor classroom is that you can go around and there's lots of stuff to observe.
Hi, my name's Lucy, and I just love being outside because I love feeling the fresh air.
Hi, I'm Gianna Lenz, and what I like most about the aquaponics lab is that it's really fun, and science is my favorite subject in school, and you just get to explore and have fun, but also learn at the same time.